Oh, hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm gonna show you what every guy needs in his car. Let's go. First thing you need to carry is some sunglasses. You gotta protect your eyes from the UV light. Plus, it's a lot easier to see. Let's put our seatbelt on, just to be safe. Alright, the second thing every guy needs is chapstick. You need to have some soft lips. Not to be weird, but you need to have some soft lips, so you can be more presentable. So the third thing every guy needs in his car is a travel size cologne. What I got here is from this company called Sunburn. So what they do is they send you a cologne every month. I think it's 0.5 milliliters. But they send you a sample size cologne that you can try every month. You get to pick and choose which one you want. Otherwise, they pick and choose for you. And it's very essential for every guy because you never know when you need a little cologne before you go out. Whew, man, my hands are pretty dry. Next thing every guy needs is some lotion. Gotta keep your hands moisturized. Have some soft skin. Listen, it's getting a lot colder nowadays. You just gotta keep some lotion. I forgot to put deodorant on. Alright, next thing every guy needs is a travel size deodorant. The one I got is Dove Men Care. It's pretty good, to be honest. It smells pretty good. Bought for like $1. And just like many of us, we forget to put deodorant on before we head out. That's why you always gotta carry a travel size deodorant in your car. Now let's go. Oh man, I forgot my mask. 16 every guy needs is a mask because of COVID-19. Alright. Next thing every guy needs is a travel size hand sanitizer for your car because of COVID-19. Alright, the last and final thing that every guy needs is some gum. I always pick up this gum because this gum is about $1 and it makes it pretty convenient when you go to the store. You never know where you're gonna meet that special someone, and you always need to have that fresh bread in hand. Alright guys, those are essentials that every guy needs in his car. If you want to find most of the products, it will be at your local Target, except for the sunglasses and the Sunburn cologne. I'll put the links down below in case you want to check them out. Other than that, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Follow for more content, and I'll see you in the next video.